Hey guys, today we are going to talk about 4 ways to make money as an artist. And we are going to jump right into them right now. First, number 1, I feel these days that it is most important to set up some kind of presence online. Social media like Facebook or Instagram. This is most likely going to be a more local income source for you through friends and family at first, but can definitely grow from there. This way you can share your pieces with people in your community and they can see what you are all about. They can see your style and maybe that style will suit their needs. They may purchase a painting you've already finished. They may also ask for a commission piece. That just means that you will do something they ask for particularly. Great, now you are starting an online presence. Everything else can kind of piggyback from there. You can always go out, talk to people, even go door to door. But let's face it, that's not something most of us want to do. From that presence, however, we can lead into number 2. And that is showing your work at local businesses like bars and coffee shops. When I first started out, there was a bar I frequented for a beer after work. I asked if I could display my work there and ended up selling pieces almost immediately. One evening sitting there and having a beer with my at the time girlfriend, we overheard a couple talking about one of my pieces that was hanging there on the wall. The bartender overheard as well. He immediately pointed me out as the artist, and the couple was surprised at the news and asked to purchase the piece right there. Nice way to sell work. Fun and exciting for everyone involved. I gave a percentage to the owner of the bar, and we kept that deal going until he decided to sell the bar and move on. Number 3, you can paint murals. I know, scary for some of us at first, at least. Painting something that big, most likely outdoors on a hard to work on surface, but I think you should try it. I love it, and it's a great way to make money. You can charge a lot more most times for pieces like that. My very first one, I was approached to paint one for the city I live in. I was pretty nervous, but told them I could do it with a lot of confidence, even knowing I wasn't quite sure. When finished, everyone loved it. It was a huge success for me, and it built my confidence to the next one. So give it a try and maybe start small. It might not be for you, but you'll never know unless you try at least once. And that brings us into number 4, getting into galleries. A few years back, I got into a nice gallery. I had a solo exhibition. I didn't really sell any work at the time. The gallery kept my work up for months after that and would sell a piece randomly here and there and send me a check in the mail. After they took their percentage out, of course. Not a bad way to make money, though. You don't get to keep all of the money, but you also don't have to do all of the selling. So there you have it, the 4 tips to make money as an artist. Now go out there and paint something and share it with the world. Subscribe to the channel and join me next time. Thanks, guys.